Thank you. Again, for those that don't know me, I'm James Botana. I'm a principal at the law firm of Jackson Lewis, which is a workplace law firm. So I'm going to talk a little bit about some of the issues with putting together, especially a more formal wellness program, some of the legal issues that could be involved. But I want to talk about some of the positives too, so it's not a completely wet blanket situation. And I think that all of you have a lot of things within your organization that are wellness related. I spend more than half of my time, unfortunately, involved with litigation. The other time I spend trying to prevent litigation. Being able to feature some of the positive things that you already have in your workplace and issues that you have already in terms of the kind of leaves that you provide, the kind of programs that you have. If you have an employment assistance program, all of those things, I think it's important that you get them out there, that people are reminded on a regular basis about some of the things that you already provide for wellness. I think it's very important, both because it's important for people to know about it and for you as best employment practices to be able to feature some of these positive things that you're already doing goes a long way in preventing complaints. Because I think that what, in our experience as employment lawyers, people will go outside of your organization when they feel they don't have a voice inside. And having these types of proactive programs about wellness issues or good information about your leave policies, what's out there in terms of benefit for people, is going to give people a sense that you're there for them, that you're concerned about their wellness, that you already provide benefits, that you're willing to listen. That goes a long way for them not going outside, whether it's to a government agency or to a lawyer or to a union, to try to get a voice in the workplace. So I think that that's very important. I think what's very important also is a very clear message that there's buy-in from the top, meaning that the people that are in charge of the organization think that this is important and think that this is something that is key for them. A big part of this is also, like with anything else, when we talk about programs, is demodeling. And I think that I want to share a little bit about a personal experience, because we have a dedicated wellness expert at our firm. Here's where there's a very high level of burnout, there's a very high level of substance abuse. So wellness has become a key issue, and there's buy-in from the top, but there's also a willingness to talk about personal experiences. We had a wellness related meeting once, and one of my colleagues, and he's a partner, and it was very powerful. He shared some of his wellness struggles in terms of dealing with it, and sort of like the cultural negatives about trying to deal with that. All of those things are very important